Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my channel UBK Tech. I hope you are fine. So today I am bringing new earning website. You can earn USDT, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, TRX, USDT and Solana as well. You can get instant withdrawal. I will show you the payment proof as well. You can earn $0.05 every 3 minutes without any work through Termux auto faucet roll. So we will run in Termux, so don't skip video, otherwise you can't understand and you can get error. So let's move to our video. First of all, you have required website link in the description. You can directly go from there. So here you can see the interface of this website. This website is already paying to many users. Here you can see the USDT earned and total withdrawal. So first of all, create account. Just click on register for create account. So now provide here email address, username, password, then confirm password, then solve captcha and click on register. Your account will be created. After create account, just log in your account. So here you can see my earning 2.06 USD I earned in a half hour. You can also earn from this website. So here is the withdraw option: USDT, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Binance, TRX, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash and Zcash. So here the minimum withdrawal is 10 USD. You can earn in just 1.5 hours. So here is the many options to earn, like auto faucet, made faucet, short links, PTC. We run all in Termux. So for run this website in Termux, you have required a script file link given in description. You can directly go from there. In article, you will see script button. Just click on script. Script will be downloaded. After downloading a script, log out your account from here. Okay, log out. Now go to the script file. Open any Explorer APK. Open. So must use ES File Explorer old version 2020 version. Then go to the download folder where you download your script file. So here you can see script file in zip format. First I'll unzip it. So long press on script file, then click on more. Here you can see extract. Just click on extract. Okay, now it's extract. Open in the folder, then long press on folder, click on more, then properties. Now copy full path. Script location copied successfully. Go back and open Termux. So if you are a new user using Termux first time, install basic command first. Basic command provided on my Telegram channel. You can copy from there, or you can DM me on Instagram. I will provide you there. Then continue process. CD space paste script location. Then enter ls, enter php port.php. Then enter. So now here we have required password. Password link also given description. You can directly go from there. In article you will see password button. Just click on password, copy password, then paste your password. Then just press enter. Okay, so now here we have required URL social media, website cookies and user agent. So we will capture from HTTP canary. So go back and open HTTP canary. Then first of all, link your web browser which you use. Then if you are a new user using Canary first time, install CS certificate from setting. Then just click on start. Okay, then go to the website. Just click on login. Okay, then provide your email address and password. Then click on captcha type. Here you can see Soul Media. Just click on Soul Media. Type here Soul Media captcha. Just click on login. Okay, login successful. Now just reload dashboard file to capture dashboard cookies. So here you can see cookies are not capturing, so just stop Canary, then start again. Now reload again. So here you can see reload getting time. It means cookies are capturing, so just wait for complete reload. So now reload is completed and all cookies captured successfully. Now open canary, stop canary, then click on 3 dots, then filter. Now server host. So find here API secure Sol Media. So here you can see API secure Sol Media, just check it. Then coincity.in, also check it. Okay, then go back, again back. So here you can see API secure Sol Media challenges. Open that file. Just long press on URL. You will copy it back to the Termux. Paste your URL. Then press enter. So now here we have required cookies. So go back to the canary. Go back. So here you can see coincity.in/dashboard. Open that file. Open. And just long press on cookies. Quiz copied back to the Termux. Paste your cookies. Just type enter. So now copy user agent. Go to the canary. Slide right. Here you can see the user agent. Just long press on user agent. User agent copied back to the Termux. Paste the user agent. Paste. Then enter. So here you can see my account is connected and balance also showing. So I have available 21 faucet and 4 PTC. I will show you how you can run. You can use PTC as well, but I will just show bypass faucet. Just click 1 to enter bypass faucet. So wait for start process. So here you can see bypass in progress. So just wait to bypass. So here you can see bypass is completed. I got 0.05 USD. It's added in my balance. So script is working successfully. If you want to watch more videos, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to all for getting latest update. Also like video to motivate me, and Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Take care.